Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add any other music services to your Bose Smart Soundbar 300 and the Bose Music app. So first of all, you'll need to get the Bose Music app, and we've shown you how to set up this device there in our other video, so be sure to check it out. Now right here, when you're in the app, click on your profile icon right there, then navigate to manage music services. Here you can add a new service, and there's a Spotify, music, or Deezer. The music is by Amazon. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.